Hello, Poshers! My name's Jackie Pepe. I'm a Gold Premier leader of my team, the Snarky Showstoppers, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to share the new December starter kit. I'm sure by now you've all seen what's going to come in this pretty box. So I'm just going to run through it for you really quickly.
2 6-pack of fizzies, 2 classic pink Snappies, 2 Santa's Little Healers, 2 bottles of Mist and Shout. But I don't have any Mist and Shout, so you're just going to have to use your imagination. 2 BFFs, and 2 Moisturized 911s, plus the ritual, and 2 full packs of BFF samples. That's 40 of this business, y'all.
So that is a really rich kit with a really rich value. But how can we share it with our customers, hostesses, fence sitters, and anyone else who may need Posh as a business opportunity? One really cute idea that I had was to encourage my new recruits to make sample packs using some of these products, especially highlighting the BFF sample. How easy is it to sample a person and say, hey, do you want to be my new Posh BFF? In a card, with this guy, 1 stamp. BFF is one of our most loved products, right? So it's important to get it on as many people as possible. I think that a sample pack, even with just 1 sample, means something. Like you took the time out to send a letter in the actual mail. Those little touches mean a lot. Now, how can this kit push your fence sitters straight off the fence and onto your team? It's a highlight reel of some of our most beloved products, the products that people want to get in a starter kit. A face wash and a moisturizer is the perfect start to a new routine, and new people can use that to grow their business too. Hey Mandy, I know you've been thinking about joining for a while, and this current kit is perfect for you. There are so many of the products that you already love, plus the seasonal Santa's Little Healer, and fizzy bath bombs for you to enjoy. You get all the business supplies you need to get started, plus your exclusive ritual mask. Take 1 of each item in the kit and keep it for yourself because you deserve it. And take the other and make samples for all of your friends and family that you're gonna see around Christmas time. A good way to approach your hostesses before their December parties is to ask them to turn their party into their launch party. Hey Brittany, I'm super duper stoked to party with you on December 19th, but before we get there, I wanted to show you our starter kit for December. It's full of products that you already love, plus if you join my team today, your party can become your launch party. I'll still throw it for you. And you can have all the commissions plus all of the rewards for the party. What better time to share Posh with your friends and family than holiday time? It's like little gifts all over the place. And it's a little gift for you too. You deserve it. No matter how you decide to spin it, this starter kit is a great way to get your December off on the right foot. So I challenge you, make a list of 10 people that you would just die to have on your team. Write their names down right now. And then I want you to contact them and ask them to join your team. Show them the starter kit. Show them how your life has been enriched by Posh. Show them all the things that you love about your business and ask them to do the life with you. I want you to try to check off all those names in the first week of this month. Time to get brave, Poshers. Don't wait, get after it. Go, you can do this. We're all super excited to see you fly in December. Go. Bye.